It's 1 degrees outside, and this is a cold start for my Land Rover Discovery 2. Sorry about that. It's actually -7 degrees outside with the windshield, -11, 7, whatever it is. But she had a really bad start. I don't know. Because she don't like the fucking cold. I mean, nothing's working. Turn signal, nothing is. But it's cold as fuck. Holy shit, she's like dying, bruh. It's bad. And then, last night, I was fucking drifting in the snow with my handbrake. I accidentally locked it up. She probably locked the fucking wheels up for probably 3 seconds, and the Three Amigos light came on. Hopefully, I didn't damage anything. I don't think I did damage anything, but I think there's just like snow stuck on like some sensor or some shit, or it's wet. I don't know. It's too cold to fucking tell, but yeah, I don't fucking know. I might just leave her running for like a little bit, idling. It's fucking bad though. It's cold as shit in Ohio. But thank you for watching Discovering Rovers. It is cold as fuck. She had the worst cold start of my fucking life. She sounded weird as hell. I don't know. But you guys have a great one. Thank you.